Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noela, and for today I'll be doing a Fashion Nova try on haul for you guys. This is like a spring/summer outfit that I got, and let's just jump right into it. And my friend Calvin here is going to rate my outfits from
the original salon piqué.
Nobody asked you, but yeah, so he also vlogs, so check out his channel after you watch mine. Okay, let's get into it.
Okay, show a little something, do some more thing, do the spin.
Okay,
I fuck with it, it's solid, it's simple, clean,
so
I fuck with it.
What's the rating?
But me as an African, where are the sleeves? Why is this showing?
In the summertime,
why is this showing?
Okay, just rate the outfit.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
I'll give it a solid 8.
Okay.
But wait. 7.5.
What? How do you go from an 8 to a 7? Make up your mind. I think this is an 8. You know this?
8. I'll do an 8.
Okay.
So where's the outfit? You went back there. Now you're. Wait, I'm looking for the outfit. Is this not supposed to be some unique? What is this? No! Come back! It's cute. It's cute, but it's basic. Basic jeans, pink shirt. That's everyday things, man. But it's cute though. But I'll give it a solid 6 out of 10. 6.
Woo!
Okay, I like this one better. It's speed. It's very solid.
This
I
is
like
cute.
the color blue. You know. I give it a 8.5 rating.
I think this is a 10.
Solid 8.5. A 10. What's so 10 about this? I'm listening.
The color.
Just the color.
Summer body loading.
A solid 8.5. You know.
You're a hater.
Who's hating?
You.
Oh!
You're
Jesu.
annoying.
Jesu.
You're really annoying. I don't know. I feel like I look like a yellow potato.
Like a bumblebee. But no, it's nice. Is it not nice, people? Look at this. Look at this one. It's nice. This is a solid 8.9, but it's not really
You just like it because the sleeves are covered.
No, it's not even that. It's nice.
I like the color. I just feel like
the color, yeah.
Yeah, the color is nice, but it's like in real life, this looks better.
I'll give it a 9. A solid 9. That's fair.
On camera, I look like a yellow potato, but in real life, this is not bad. I just don't.
Crazy.
It's not hugging me in the right
Solid
places.
9 is good.
Flexing on the beat.
Jailbird.
I like this one.
I wonder why.
What do you mean I wonder why?
I like this one too. It's still nice, but when it's cold, but warm.
I would have to say a solid 9. I haven't seen any 10s yet, but a 9 is good. It's a solid 9. Solid 9. No, come back.
What?
Got you. Then let them look.
Let them look.
That's a solid 9. Solid 9. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'm outie.
Who asked?
Keep doing your
I didn't
thing.
even invite you over. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like,
comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to me too.
Whose video is this? Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And forget he was even here. Okay?